Soy sauce. It's a staple in kitchens around the world. This savory sauce adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. But have you ever thought about what goes into making it? Traditional soy sauce is a fermented masterpiece. It's a process that has been passed down for generations. Soybeans, salt, and thyme are the key ingredients. The magic begins with carefully selected soybeans. These are soaked and steamed to perfection. Then, they're combined with a special type of mold called Aspergillus oryzae. This mixture is then left to ferment, a process that can take many months. During this time, the mold works its magic, breaking down the soybeans. This fermentation process creates a complex and savory liquid. This liquid is then pressed out, leaving behind the solids. The resulting liquid is raw soy sauce. This raw soy sauce is then pasteurized and bottled. That's how the soy sauce we know and love is born. It's a testament to the patience and artistry of traditional food-making techniques. Soy sauce is a fundamental seasoning, especially in Asian cuisines. Its rich umami flavor enhances a wide range of dishes. From stir-fries to marinades, soups to sauces, soy sauce adds depth and complexity. It's the secret ingredient that elevates everyday meals to new culinary heights. Think of a perfectly seared steak with a drizzle of soy sauce, or a simple bowl of rice transformed with a dash of this savory elixir. But soy sauce is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's also a cultural icon. In many cultures, soy sauce is more than just a condiment. It represents a connection to heritage and tradition. It's a taste of home that evokes memories of family meals and shared culinary experiences. Imagine the aroma of soy sauce wafting through the air as a family gathers for a delicious meal. It's a symbol of togetherness and a celebration of culinary heritage. And now, you can bring that tradition home by crafting your own homemade soy sauce. Subscribe and continue watching the video until the end. Imagine the satisfaction of creating your own soy sauce right in your kitchen. Homemade soy sauce offers a freshness that's simply unmatched. You control the quality of every ingredient. No more mystery additives or preservatives, just pure natural flavors. Experience a clean, pure flavor that enhances your dishes. Think of the aroma alone. It fills your kitchen with the anticipation of a delicious meal. And the taste? That's the real reward. One of the greatest benefits of making soy sauce at home is the control you have over the ingredients. You get to choose exactly what goes into your sauce. This means you can avoid common allergens like gluten or wheat, which are often found in commercial soy sauces. You can also experiment with different types of soybeans to create unique flavor profiles. Try heirloom varieties or organic soybeans for a truly special sauce. This level of customization allows you to tailor your soy sauce to your specific dietary needs and preferences. Beyond the soybeans, you can also control the salt content. Many store-bought soy sauces are loaded with sodium. When you make it at home, you can adjust the amount of salt to your liking. This is especially important for those watching their sodium intake. This control also extends to the fermentation process itself. You can experiment with different fermentation times and temperatures to fine-tune the flavor of your soy sauce. It's like becoming a culinary alchemist, transforming simple ingredients into a liquid masterpiece. Homemade soy sauce isn't just delicious, it's also a healthier alternative to store-bought options. The fermentation process creates beneficial probiotics, which are essential for a healthy gut. These probiotics aid in digestion and contribute to overall well-being. Commercial soy sauces often contain additives and preservatives that can be detrimental to your health. By making your own, you avoid these unnecessary chemicals and ensure a purer, healthier sauce. You're choosing natural goodness over processed shortcuts. Additionally, homemade soy sauce is naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for individuals with gluten sensitivities. This is because you control the ingredients, ensuring that no gluten-containing products are used during the process. And let's not forget about the reduced sodium content. By controlling the amount of salt in your homemade soy sauce, you can enjoy its savory depth without the negative health effects of excessive sodium intake. This is particularly beneficial for those managing blood pressure or watching their salt consumption. And ready to embark on your soy sauce adventure? The beauty of making it at home is that it requires just a few simple ingredients. You'll need dried soybeans, preferably organic, for the purest flavor. Salt is crucial, acting as a natural preservative and enhancing the savory depth. Water is essential for the soaking and steaming process, ensuring the soybeans are perfectly prepared for fermentation. And lastly, you'll need Aspergillus oryzae, the magic starter, often available online or at specialty Asian markets. Now let's talk equipment. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. A large pot for steaming the soybeans is essential. You'll also need a sterilized container for fermentation. Glass or food-grade plastic works well. Cheesecloth is your best friend for straining the fermented liquid. A large bowl will come in handy for mixing and salting the soybeans. And finally, sterilized bottles are crucial for storing your homemade soy sauce. Remember, cleanliness is key throughout the process to prevent unwanted bacteria growth. The journey begins with awakening the soybeans. Rinse them thoroughly and soak them in plenty of fresh water for at least 12 hours or overnight. This rehydrates the beans, preparing them for the steaming process. Once soaked, drain the soybeans and steam them until tender. This usually takes about 2 hours. You want them soft enough to crush easily between your fingers. Allow the steamed soybeans to cool completely. Now, it's time to introduce the star player, Aspergillus oryzae. Sprinkle the starter over the cooled soybeans, ensuring even distribution. This is where the magic of fermentation begins. Mix gently to combine. Transfer the inoculated soybeans to your sterilized fermentation container. Press them down firmly to remove any air pockets. Cover the container with cheesecloth, securing it with a rubber band. This allows for airflow while protecting your precious mixture from contaminants. Find a warm, dark spot for your soy sauce to ferment its magic. The ideal temperature is between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Over the next few days, you'll notice a white mold forming on the surface of the soybeans. Don't worry, this is a good sign. It's the Aspergillus oryzae hard at work, breaking down the soybeans and developing those complex flavors. Stir the mixture gently every day using a clean utensil. This helps to distribute the mold evenly and encourage fermentation. As the days turn into weeks, the mixture will gradually darken and develop a rich, savory aroma. This stage requires patience. The fermentation process can take anywhere from 6 months to a year for the flavors to fully develop. Just like a fine wine, time is a key ingredient in crafting exceptional soy sauce. Regularly check on your fermenting soy sauce, ensuring the mold growth remains healthy and there are no signs of spoilage. You'll know it's ready when the liquid has a deep, rich color and emits a complex umami aroma. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. It's time to harvest your homemade soy sauce. Line a colander with cheesecloth and place it over a large bowl. Carefully transfer the fermented soybeans and liquid into the colander. Allow the soy sauce to strain naturally, without pressing or squeezing. This preserves the clarity and delicate flavor of your creation. Once the majority of the liquid has drained, you can gently press the soybean mixture to extract any remaining sauce. Transfer the strained soy sauce into a saucepan and heat it gently to a simmer. This step helps to pasteurize the sauce and extend its shelf life. Avoid boiling as this can alter the flavor. Carefully pour the hot soy sauce into sterilized bottles, leaving about an inch of headspace. Seal the bottles tightly and allow them to cool completely. Your homemade soy sauce is now ready to elevate your culinary creations. Your homemade soy sauce, a testament to patience and craft, is ready to elevate your cooking. Its complex, nuanced flavor enhances a wide array of dishes. Think beyond the stir-fry, although it certainly elevates those too. This versatile sauce can be the star ingredient in marinades, dressings, and even desserts. Imagine a simple marinade for grilled chicken or tofu. Combine your homemade soy sauce with a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Add a hint of ginger and garlic for warmth. The result? Tender, flavorful protein bursting with umami goodness. Let's talk vegetables. Roasted root vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes take on a whole new dimension of flavor when tossed with a drizzle of your homemade soy sauce before roasting. The natural sugars caramelize, creating a beautiful glaze. Even salads benefit from the magic touch of your creation. Whisk together a simple dressing with your soy sauce, a squeeze of fresh citrus juice, and a touch of sesame oil. It's light, refreshing, and bursting with flavor. While stir-fries are a natural pairing for soy sauce, your homemade version deserves to shine in less expected ways. Think outside the box and let your culinary creativity soar. Imagine a hearty soup, like lentil or vegetable. A splash of your homemade soy sauce added towards the end of cooking adds depth and complexity. It enhances the earthiness of the lentils or the sweetness of the vegetables. Rice dishes, often considered blank canvases for flavor, transform with the addition of your homemade soy sauce. Drizzle some over steamed rice for a simple side dish, or stir it into fried rice for a flavor explosion in every bite. Don't be afraid to experiment with bolder flavors. Combine your soy sauce with chili flakes for a spicy kick, or add a spoonful of peanut butter for a rich and savory sauce for noodles or vegetables. Sometimes the simplest touches have the greatest impact. Your homemade soy sauce, with its nuanced flavor and delicate aroma, is the perfect finishing touch for a variety of dishes. Think of a perfectly seared piece of fish. A drizzle of your homemade soy sauce adds a touch of umami and enhances the natural sweetness of the fish. It's a simple yet elegant way to elevate a weeknight meal. Eggs, often relegated to breakfast fare, become gourmet delights with a touch of your homemade soy sauce. Add a teaspoon or two to your scrambled egg mixture for a savory depth, or drizzle some over a poached egg for a touch of elegance. Even avocado toast, a millennial favorite, benefits from a dash of your homemade soy sauce. The saltiness of the soy sauce complements the creaminess of the avocado, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often trumps quality. We reach for store-bought sauces, enticed by their flavors. But this convenience comes at a cost. Many soy sauces are laden with hidden ingredients. Hidden sodium is a major culprit. Excessive sodium intake is linked to health problems. Commercial brands add sodium to enhance flavor. Artificial additives and preservatives are also a concern. These chemicals extend shelf life but pose health risks. Knowing what goes into our food is crucial for well-being. Now, imagine a different scenario. Imagine crafting your own soy sauce, a labor of love, using only natural ingredients. This is the beauty of homemade. You control every element, ensuring purity and quality in every drop. Homemade soy sauce, a product of natural fermentation, is a powerhouse of beneficial probiotics. These gut-friendly bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune system function. By incorporating homemade soy sauce into your diet, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. Moreover, the slow, natural fermentation process used in making homemade soy sauce allows for the development of complex flavors and aromas without the need for artificial enhancers. The result is a sauce with a depth and richness that surpasses commercially produced varieties. By choosing homemade, you're opting for natural goodness over processed shortcuts. You're prioritizing your health and well-being with every savory drop. Making your own soy sauce is more than just a culinary adventure. It's an empowering act of self-care. It's about taking control of your health by choosing natural, wholesome ingredients and traditional methods over mass-produced convenience. When you make your own soy sauce, you're not just creating a condiment, you're cultivating a connection to the food you consume. You're embracing a slower, more mindful approach to cooking and eating. This connection fosters a deeper appreciation for the ingredients and the process, enriching your culinary experience. The act of transforming simple soybeans into a flavorful masterpiece is deeply satisfying. It's a testament to your patience, creativity, and commitment to nourishing yourself and your loved ones with wholesome, homemade goodness. So embrace the journey of making your own soy sauce. It's a journey of discovery, flavor, and ultimately, a celebration of good health through the power of homemade. Making your own soy sauce is more than just a recipe. It's a journey of culinary discovery. Embrace the tradition of fermentation and the joy of sharing homemade goodness. The aroma of your homemade soy sauce is a testament to your commitment to quality. Know exactly what goes into your food and make conscious choices. Gather your ingredients and experience the magic of homemade soy sauce. Transform your relationship with food and make healthier choices. Your homemade soy sauce is a symbol of your culinary creativity. The most rewarding flavors are often the ones we create ourselves. Thanks for watching the video, and for those new or have not yet subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe and share.